I didn't believe for a minute that Mr. Clay was developing photographs in the basement. And last night, when Dr. Watson and I saw the shops and business surrounding Mr. Wilson's butcher shop, I knew what Mr. Clay was doing. He was digging a tunnel.
A tunnel in my basement? A tunnel to where?
To the underground vault of the bank next door.
You are so clever, Mr. Holmes.
Actually, it was you, Mr. Hudson, who gave me the idea. You sent Mr. Clay one of the jobs at Mr. Wilson's butcher shop so badly that he was willing to work dirt cheap.
Amazing, Holmes. But how could you be so sure that your theory was right?
That's why we knocked on the door at the butcher shop last night. I was able to see that Mr. Clay had dirt on the knees of his trousers. It could only mean that he was on his hands and knees in the basement tunnel while you, Mr. Wilson, were upstairs sleeping.
And how did you know that the robbery was going to happen last night?
I know. The disappearance of the red-headed Lee could only mean that there was no reason to keep Mr. Wilson away from his butcher shop anymore. The tunnel was finished and ready to be used.
Bravo, Mr. Hudson, exactly as I surmised.
Mr. Holmes, I cannot thank you enough for solving my mystery.
There's a lesson in this for you, Mr. Wilson. When something seems too good to be true, it probably is.
Mr. Holmes, you and Dr. Watson are always welcome at my butcher shop for free sausages and chops. I wish I could do more.
That's very generous of you, Mr. Wilson. Bank Director Merriweather also plans to be generous, since we saved the bank's precious gold. But it is I who must thank you, Mr. Wilson. The opportunity to solve particular problems like this is what makes life interesting for Sherlock.